Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm always glad to see you. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice because we always have choices. We just may not always like our options. But I'm all about choosing to have a good day today, and I hope yours will be great as well. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm just a couple away from getting my 1,300 subscribers, and that is so exciting for me because I've got a huge giveaway that I cannot wait to happen. So if you're subscribed, then you'll be eligible for that giveaway, and it is just days. The day that it hits 1,300, bam, the giveaway goes up. It will be that easy and simple to win, and it's going to be awesome. Today I'm going to do a look with a little bit of a bougie palette. A little bougie. Usually I'm pretty affordable, but today, it's the Nars Summer Solstice palette. And what does it look like on the inside? It is gorgeous. It is perfect for the spring and summer of this year. Actually, any time of year you can wear whatever you want, but it's come out for spring and summer, and it is beautiful. Are you interested in swatches? I might have something for you. You want some swatches? I got some swatches. Bam! Look at those swatches. It is gorgeous. Lots of neutrally goodness. Lots of great shimmers. Look at those shimmers. That's fun to say. Shimmers. But it's a beautiful palette, and I can't wait to do an eye look and make something pretty for you, my viewing friends. My friends out in the viewing public. Let's get it started. Yeah, let's get it started in here. Let's do a crease look. Let's use this color here. The names of the colors are on the back, but I'll just show you what I'm using because it's written awful small. This color goes on smooth as butter and blends out to a beautiful consistency. It is fantastic. I am loving this palette so far. I've never used a Nars eyeshadow palette before, so this is a little bit of an adventure for me. Just a little bit, a little fun in bougie land. And I'm going to, there's so many shivers. Shiver me timbers, laddie. There's so many shimmers in here. I think I'm going to go into this. It's so hard to choose. I'm going to this pink shimmer. Let's see how this brush does with it. This is beautiful. It blends out so easy. The quality of this shadow is just amazing. I am loving this formula so much. Let me just do a teeny little more there. There, that looks a little more even Steven. And let's see. I think I'm going to go a little, I'm gonna go with this deep red because it's so dynamic. I can't believe it's so beautiful. It's really metallic. And that red is just deep. It's not like the deepest red, but it's so metallic and shimmery. It's very beautiful. And now I'm going to go onto the lid with this gold on my finger. Oh my goodness. It's like a honey gold. It's blending into this beautifully. And I think I'm going to, and I don't think, I know that I'm going to go into the center with this very bright shimmer, this very light one. Oh yeah. And that really brightens the eye up. I think I want to get a little bit more of this first color and blend that out a little up top. I just think it's lovely. Just need some liner. We're going to use the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. And I'm going to use the Fetish Eyes mascara from Pat McGrath. Just a gorgeous, glamorous eye look. And for the lips, I'm going to do a shimmery bronze. And I can never read what the color is or what shade it is, because look, it's so hard to read. But it is a beautiful bronze. No, I'm going to do that over. Now for the lips, I'm going to do a Pat McGrath lip pencil in Hollywood Honey. And then I'm going to do a lip gloss on top. And this is in Wet Peach. It goes really well with the eye. And I am super glad to use the Charlotte Tilbury with the Jeffree Star and the Nars. And I feel very bougie and very pretty. And I hope that you've liked this look today. I hope you have a great day of your choice. And remember, it was the Nars Summer Solstice palette. Have a great day.